guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok group chat not showing. So if I go to my TikTok app and then if I go right here to inbox and then if I click to this paper plane to messages and if I go to a friend and if I click to those 3 points in the right corner from the top of the page, as you can see I have no group chat feature, so I can't create a group chat. So what we can do about this, we will have to go to our Play Store and update our TikTok app. I have a few options here. Then if I click to the app, not open it, here instead of open it would have been a update button. So if you have an update button, you can go ahead and update your app. So as you can see, I don't have an update button. So after you updated your app, you can go ahead to settings, scroll down to apps, and then here we have to search for TikTok. Click on it and then go down to storage. And here you will have to clear the data and the cache. So don't worry, this won't clear anything on your account. Everything will remain the same. Okay, so after that we will go to our TikTok app and see if something happened. Now you have to log in again using your phone number or email or whatever you have. Enter your birthday. And as you can see, my profile is okay, nothing happened. Your followers won't be deleted, either your video. So don't worry guys, if you clear your data and the cache, nothing will happen bad. So let's go ahead now to inbox and see if my group chat appeared. So if not, I have another solution. Let's click here to the paper plane. Let's go to a friend, those 3 points. And as you can see, I don't have one, unfortunately. So now let's show you my final option to solve this. You have to go on your profile to me and then go to settings. Click to those 3 points in the top of the page in the right corner. And then scroll down to report a problem. And then you will have to click in the right corner from the top of the page near to feedback and help. And then here you will have to write your problem. So after that they will see your message and solve your problem. So let's type down I don't have the create a new group chat feature. So you can go ahead and make some screenshots to your problem. You can go back to messages and take a screenshot, and you can also add them here to let them know that this problem is real. So after you typed your message, you can go ahead and click on report. And then after that, you'll receive a response in less than 2 days. You can even receive a response in 2 hours, half an hour, or 1 day. It's up to them. So after that, you will receive your future and you will have the new group chat. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can go ahead and like it, and you can also comment down below. And if you are subscribed, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.